everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to sign up for KuCoin. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.kucoin.com and press enter on your keyboard in order to end up in the official web page of KuCoin. To sign up for a new account, simply go ahead and click on the sign up button appearing at the top right hand corner. You'll need either your email or your phone number in order to sign up. Select any one option and provide the details for the respective text boxes. If you've chosen email, type in an email address in the text box. Make sure to type in a valid email address that you have an access to. After you do that, create a password for yourself on the next field. Make sure that your password is at least 10 to 32 characters long. It must have an uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and a number. Once your password meets the criteria, if you've got a referral code, go ahead and click on the referral code button and enter the code. If not, simply move ahead to the next step. Check this little box that says I've read and agreed to the terms of use and finally click on the sign up button. Now you'll need to activate your account by entering the verification code in the text box. Open up a new tab and log into your email inbox that you just provided. Open up the email received from KuCoin and copy the verification code attached to it. Get back to this KuCoin.com website and paste in the verification code and click activate account. Soon after you are done, you'll be logged in to your KuCoin account. That is how you'll be able to sign up for a KuCoin account quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.